Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your JVC Smart TV. Before trying to troubleshoot your TV, first of all, check if your Wi-Fi router is functioning properly. So make sure that other devices with internet access that you have around can freely use your Wi-Fi router to connect with the internet. So just open some web applications on your other devices connected to the same Wi-Fi router, and if they use your Wi-Fi and if there is no problem on them, then it's definitely something with your TV or with maybe a compatibility between your TV and your Wi-Fi router. First of all, you're gonna have to set aside all the wireless devices you have around your TV so they don't interfere with the connection. So all things like wireless Wi-Fi speakers, your smartphones, maybe consoles or anything that may use Wi-Fi, set it aside from your TV and then check your Wi-Fi connection once again, which you can do of course in the network settings. So navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV and then select the network tile. Here in the network tile, check the status of your network, see if you are connected to it, and if in order to refresh the connection status, you just have to press OK on the network that you are connected to. You can toggle network off by switching the enable network from on to off. Then wait for a couple of seconds and re-enable network. Click turn on and let your device reconnect to the network. Now, if your network uses two bands, for example, as you can see, in my case, this is the same network, but this one is 2.4 GHz band and this one is 5 GHz band. Try connecting it to to each one of them and see which one actually works with your TV, because this might be a frequency problem. And if your network isn't divided into two different bands, you can actually change it in the router settings. However, I cannot show you it in this video. You can check the tutorials for your router on how to do that. And besides, you can also restart your router and try reconnecting your TV with your Wi-Fi network after that. Now, you can also forget the networks you see right here by pressing the menu button, which is the three stripes button you see on the side of the TV. Then press OK. And this way you can forget all the networks. Then try reconnecting to the network. Enter the password to it once again. And once you have entered the password, click connect. And then check your network status once again. Now, if this still isn't working for you, then instead of using your Wi-Fi router, you can create a mobile portable hotspot on your smartphone. In network settings of your smartphone, you can create a portable hotspot and try to connect to it, because maybe there is a compatibility issue between your TV and your Wi-Fi router, and your TV simply is not compatible with the Wi-Fi. And if your TV can freely connect to your portable hotspot on the smartphone, this might as well prove that point. Besides, we can also power cycle the TV. To do so, just click the power button, the physical power button on your TV, short press it, then short press it a couple more times until you have the power off option selected or highlighted, and then hold the power button for a couple more seconds to power your TV off. Then you're gonna have to unplug your TV from the power source, so from the outlet, and then after a minute, plug it back in, wait for a couple of seconds, and short press the power button on your TV once again to let it turn back on. And then wait until the TV is turned on again. And if even after the restart you still have the same issue on your TV, let's also check some additional settings. So go back to settings, then select preferences, and in preferences make sure that the synchronizing time and date is switched on, because if it's switched off, then this might be the issue. And just synchronize date and time, and then either wait for a while or restart your TV once again. Also, well, in time zone we cannot change much, but if you can change the time zone, then set it to the proper one and wait for a while, and then check your Wi-Fi connection once again. And as the last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation on your TV. However, this will delete all the data from your TV, so be cautious with it. If you have some sensitive data on your TV, then first back it up somewhere else using a USB flash drive, and then go to Device and Software, select Reset Factory Defaults, and perform a factory reset on your TV, and this might as well resolve your issue. And if it doesn't, then this might indicate some sort of hardware issue inside your TV, and in such case you should contact JVC customer support service and tell them about this issue, and maybe even send your TV to them for repair. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.